Welcome back to the channel. This is Stocks with Jacob. Today we're going to go over SPY and Nvidia. We're going to do a little bit of technical analysis, so stay tuned. All right, let's jump right into it. So what happened today with SPY? Today SPY pushed up. It pushed up to about this 602 level before pulling back a little bit. It's a good sign. I am bullish on SPY. I was expecting it to come down a little bit today or tomorrow, and I was hoping to get a good buy-in on it. I am not in on it at the moment. I'm still waiting to see if we end up with a pullback or not, although after today, in my opinion, it's looking like we might not get one. Let's look at the daily here and see. As you can see here, this previous resistance is now working as support, and we pushed above it today. Now we're coming back down just to check it, maybe gain some liquidity. What I was looking for here was a shoulder here, a head here, and a shoulder here with a fake out coming down to here or possibly to this point before a full retracement. That's what I was planning on. I'm used to SPY with the fake outs. Now, I see double fake outs a lot too on SPY. So don't be surprised if this comes up here. Oh yeah, we're not going to have the head and shoulders, and then bam, comes down and flushes down hard, freaks everybody out. Everybody starts selling here. It's gone, and then the pump back up. So no, I'm not in on it right now. I am waiting for confirmation of either, hey, a close up above here to make a new high, or a pull back down to here to gain liquidity. So that's what I'm still looking for on SPY. Let's go ahead and take a look over at XLY, XLP, and see how that's performing. We've been talking about this a little bit. As you can see, it was yesterday in the video, it was up here at resistance, right at resistance. You can see that's where the resistance is at, and it pulled right back off of that, which we were expecting. This is normal. We're going to watch it over the next couple of days. There's nothing really to see here right now. This is just typical for it to move and pull back here. But it is something to monitor. So what if it comes down to this area here? Not a big deal. We're really looking to see if it breaks structure. If it comes down below this 278 or so, I'll start to raise a couple flags. So it's definitely something we need to continue to monitor. Let's look at gold real quick. We haven't looked at that one. I want to see how that one is performing here. As you can see, I had a little bull flag type drawn, and it's still stuck in this wedge right here, this little bull flag pattern. So it's not, to me, this is just confirmation that people are not, they're not scared right now. It's kind of risk on in a way. So that's good in my opinion as far as for stocks and equities go. Let's go ahead and check out Nvidia and see how that did today. Nvidia is looking good. You got this W right here is what I like to call it. It's like a double bottom, and it came up, pushed up, made a new high, and now it came down here and checked this area, and you can see this quick wick down to check this zone here, this neckline, before it popped right back up and came up. Now again, as you know, if you've been watching the videos, I'm a little bit bearish on Nvidia over the next couple of days, and I'll show you why. And I'm bullish on it over the next week, but I'm bearish over the next couple of days. So let's break it down to daily here, and as you can see, what I'm looking at here is this little, what appears to be a head and shoulders pattern forming. You've got a shoulder here, a head here, and I was looking for another shoulder to come here. I was looking for a buy-in right about here at this 135, 134 area. Is that going to happen? I don't know. I was really hoping to get a buy-in there. I'm going to show you if you take this and just draw a quick trend line. I believe it was this one I drew it off of. Yeah. I could definitely see it coming down to this area here. This is the daily, so 135.31, somewhere in there. But that's what I was looking at on NVIDIA. But as far as the weekly goes, it is looking very bullish in my opinion. We've got this really nice, like I like to call it a W here, but it came down, checked the area, now it's pumping back again. Now, could it come back down to this 135 area? For sure it could. Come down here and check it and pump back up. That's why I'm being cautious right now. I'm not in on NVIDIA or SPY yet. I'm just waiting. That's the key, is patience. You don't always have to be trading every day. I like to wait for good quality setups and kind of, nobody knows, but know the best that I can that it's going in the direction that I want it to go in. When I feel comfortable with it, I'll jump in pretty big and ride it on up. But for right now, I am standing by. I'm waiting to see what the market's going to tell us, and we're going to take it from there. We'll keep updating these videos and letting you know. I am bullish on everything for going into the new year. After January 8th, I become a little bit bearish on things. I become more cautious. There's usually a pullback after inauguration, so just remember that. I'll probably be jumping into some altcoins, maybe some meme coins, but probably some altcoins starting in January as well, as season has begun on that. Now, will I share that on these videos? I'm not sure yet. If I start killing it in that as well, I'll go ahead and start doing videos on that. But for now, that one I'm going to keep to myself until I master it. All right, guys. Well, that's it for tonight. I hope y'all enjoy the rest of your evening, and go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see more videos, and we'll be back at it tomorrow night.